welcome to my clinic here in Ballyback Village again. We're talking this morning about the Practitioner's program in applied biomagnetic therapy, or if you will, balancing the microbes of the body. Balancing the microbes is a fundamental aspect of health because no amount of supplements or chemicals will suffice if the microbes are out of balance. But the question is, what's distinctive about this program? Well, if you're anything like me, I'm a terrible note taker. I find sitting in lectures, hearing concepts for the first time and trying to make notes is difficult for me. So in designing this program, I decided to do it like as if, what would be a program that I would be able to absorb and bring into practice? So the result of that has been that the first thing about the program is that I've designed 2 manuals which have everything in them that I'm going to say during the program. As well as that, I have documents which will be downloaded to your computer, which will have all the information you need to give a treatment readily available on your computer beside you as you work. So the great thing about this, if it was me doing it again, would be I wouldn't have to take any notes. What a blessing. Okay. Another aspect of the program is that I set the whole thing up like a treatment room. Like, so you have your treatment table, you sit at a treatment table right throughout the program, and you practice, practice, practice. So I teach by doing. You do it first, and then I explain how it works, okay? So that's another important feature. But I suppose the most important aspect of this program is that it's like an initiation. It does try to get you across a bridge that goes from where you are now, not being able to do this at all, to where you can actually give a treatment to a patient. Now that's a tall order in 5 days, but so far I've had 24 people do the program, and 23 of them are now practicing and coming back to do part 2. So that's, to me, is a sign that it works. Okay. How do you receive the information in addition to the manuals? Well, I give short inputs, and any of them that go longer than 15 minutes, I use a form of learning. That means that the information is downloaded to your unconscious mind. So it's a form of unconscious learning, and so that it's there to be activated when you need it. As one participant says to me during her treatments, when she was practicing, she says, you know, I don't know how I know this, but I do. Yeah? So that's the kind of effect that we want to have with unconscious learning. Self-care of the practitioner, really important. You cannot afford to be depleted as a practitioner because of the work that you're doing with people who may be quite ill. And so we built into the program every day a healing session for each practitioner so that they are renewed and refreshed each day, and we practice what we preach, which is caring for the practitioner. Also, each day there is a conversation on the topic of what's getting in the way of your learning, what are you having difficulty with, what ideas or concepts are you struggling with, tell us about these, and we will work with you to resolve them. Now, so these are some of the features of this program, which I have to say I thoroughly enjoy giving, and it's inspirational for me to see how in these learning situations both the teacher and the students can go to places where they've never been before and develop a level of competency that they didn't think was possible. Anyway, that's some of the things about the program. So listen, I look forward to speaking more about this soon. Thank you. Bye for now.